Today's video, I will share with you 15 items that I sold fast for over $29. These are everyday items that you can find at your local thrift stores and garage sales to flip for a profit online. My name is Zandra, also known as Piece of Scrap, and I am a reseller on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. Without further ado, let's get to the sales. Okay, so we'll start on Facebook this time. I sold this new with tag Real Tree hooded sweatshirt. It is a 2X. I paid $5.25 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 2 months of listing on Facebook for $39.60, and the buyer did pay $9.25 for priority shipping. My profit, $31.76. I picked this up because it was new with tag, a great size 2X. And I did notice that it had scent control. On the tag here, it does say built-in face gaiter and performance wicking. And there is a scent control sticker on it. So again, new with tags, 2XL. I picked it up for $5.25 and made over $30 profit. Next up is a Passion to Roar Western shirt for women. This sold quickly within 1 week of listing. I paid $3.50 for this. It also sold for $39.60. The buyer paid $5.75 for first class shipping. My profit on this one, $36.10. Looking at these keywords, I entered Passion to Roar, Western shirt. It is a size large, black. I added the keyword cowgirl, rhinestone, cross. The back of it does have a cross design, button front. So it is black in color, somewhat washed or distressed look, and I added that to my description. So keep your eye out for this Passion to Roar brand. Even the tag inside is somewhat embellished with rhinestones. Next, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I picked up these two tactical series shirts, a fairly good size extra large at a thrift store here in town. I paid $1 each for these. The two of them sold for $44 on Poshmark. So my profit after the fees, $31.48. I have heard other resellers talk about this 511 Tactical Series brand, and when you can pick it up for cheap, it is a fairly good flip. As you can see, it was vented. I included that to my title as well. The next item on Poshmark is also new with tags, Title 9. This is a hiking outdoor brand. These pants do zip off. They are convertible. I paid $3.75 for these at Goodwill. I sold them for $38, my full asking price. My profit, $25.93. These also sold within 1 month of listing. Next up is a Wrangler FR. FR is a flame-resistant shirt. This one is denim and long sleeved. I paid $3.50 for this at Goodwill. Typically, the Goodwill here will mark up anything that is flame-resistant, but they missed this one, and I was so excited. It sold for my full asking price of $42 within 1 week of listing. So my profit, $30.10. Definitely keep your eye out for anything, any brand with this FR label. Like I said, again, the Goodwill here typically will mark these up to about $15. However, they missed this one, and I picked it up even though it did have some imperfections. As you can see here, there is a mark on this, and it is missing 2 of the snap closure pieces. I did disclose that in my description, and it's sold anyway for my full asking price. If you all like this kind of video, go ahead and smash that like button, which tells me you like this kind of video and you love that I cut right to the chase and give you 15 what sold items. I picked up this Nick and Nora robe for $4.50. Nick and Nora is a brand to be on the lookout for. They usually have very colorful characters on them. As you can see here, this one is an owl design. It's a bathrobe size large, extra large. It sold for $35 with the best offer, and the buyer did pay $11 shipping, so they were $46 all in. My profit, $27.28 on this bathrobe. It did take a little while to sell. It sold within 3 months of listing, but I was okay sitting on that as it did finally make a very good profit. Those of you that have been following my channel do know that I like to match these odd color items with a Crayola crayon. In this case, it's Robin's Egg Blue, and I do note that in my description. Next up on eBay is a Champion short sleeve shirt. I paid $3.75 for this. It sold for my full asking price of $34.03, and the buyer did pay priority shipping of $9. My profit, $28.86. I have been picking up more and more Champion items, especially when they have the spell out graphic across the front. So keep your eye out for this Champion brand. Looking at these keywords, I included Champion, XL, t-shirt. I also put the hyphenated t-shirt. It's a size extra large, spell out, script, camo, and short sleeve. The next item on eBay is an Affliction long sleeve t-shirt. This is also very embellished with rhinestones. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It took 2 months to sell. I accepted an offer of $30, and the buyer paid $7 first class shipping. My profit on this Affliction women's t-shirt, $24.57. So keep your eye out for this Affliction brand. Usually the logo is spelled out somewhere on the shirt, and they are usually very heavily embellished. Next up is another new with tag item. This is a mall brand. I've heard other resellers have luck with Talbots, so I thought I would give it a shot. And this one sold within 4 months of listing. I paid $3.75 for it. I had it listed high at $32.99. I accepted a best offer of $20, and the buyer did pay $7 shipping. So I still made a $15.59 profit on this Talbots mall brand shirt. I will probably continue to pick up Talbots, especially if it's a larger size and new with tags. How about you guys? Leave a comment below if you sell Talbots. Next up is a pair of Travis Matthew golf pants, size 40. I paid $3.50 for this. I picked them up in December, and they finally sold in May. I sent an offer to Watcher of $29.96, and the buyer did pay $9 shipping. So my profit on these pants, $24.29. I do pick up Travis Matthew in the polo golf shirts as well as the pants. Next up on eBay is a pair of Sperry shoes. I picked these up for my son, and he said no, he was not interested, so I sold them on eBay. I paid $6 for these. I accepted a best offer of $35.73, and the buyer did pay $9 shipping, so they were over $44 all in. My profit, $21.64. I don't normally clean up these shoes. These weren't too bad on the soles, and the canvas looked pretty good as well. I don't waste my time cleaning up these shoes as I just don't have the time. If the buyer would like to clean them up, they are more than welcome to. I do mention that in my description. And the last item I'd like to share with you on eBay is a Disneyland Disney Parks Mickey Mouse sweatshirt. I paid $3.75 for this. It sold for my full asking price of $48.04, and then the buyer did pay $9 shipping. So again, $57 on this Mickey Mouse sweatshirt. My profit, $38.21. So do keep your eye out for anything that has a Disney Parks tag, as these were purchased within a Disney park and harder to find than the normal items that you see from Disney at Walmart or the mall. This sold within 1 week of listing, so someone must have been keeping an eye out for these Disneyland Disney Parks sweatshirts. Next up, we'll hop over to Mercari. I sold this White Mountain puzzle. Typically, I would do a much better job with my title here. I'm not sure what happened. I paid $2 for this puzzle at a thrift store. It sold on an offer for $48, and the buyer did pay shipping. So my profit, $39.51. I have had luck selling these White Mountain puzzles. Some of them are harder to find than others. This one was pre-owned in an open box. I did not complete the puzzle. I let the buyer know that it may or may not include all of the pieces. I don't have the time nor the patience to sit through and complete these 1,000-piece puzzles. And it's still sold for $48. And the last two items are swim trunks. I've sold these the beginning of May. This is a Huck swim trunks. I paid $1 for it at a thrift store. I accepted an offer of $29, so my profit, $23.96. I will continue to be on the lookout for this Huck fishing brand. I don't see it that often, but when I do, I pick it up as it is a quick flip. Looking at these keywords, I included Huck fishing swim trunks, size 42. I also included the keyword scuba diving, fish, shorts, men's, patriotic, as it is red, white, and blue, and I included the keyword performance. The last item on Mercari is also a pair of swimming trunks. These are new with tag from Fox Racing. I paid $3.75 for these. This sold within 4 days of listing for $34, and the buyer did pay $6 shipping. Keep your eye open for this Fox Racing brand. They do make shirts, sweatshirts, and swim trunks. I'm going to try to knock out one more weekly what sold video, so I'm going to end this one here. If you do enjoy this kind of video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and pound that like button to let me know you'd love to see more of these. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.